Awesome.
It was some fun. Oh, Chupu. Welcome. Thank you. They want to be good. Excuse us, please excuse us. Where is our wife? She did not come out with them to greet us.
Uncle, she will come. You know, we just arrived and they've not even offered us cola nuts.
Yes, yes.
Uncle is acting as if it's his wife.
Oh, no, we agree, but the moment you marry her, she becomes our wife.
No. My son's wife, not our wife. Why, Mama? Please come. Why, Bim? What is the problem? Talk to me. I am a woman like you. What is the problem?
Problem like? No, there's no problem.
Then where is Josephine?
She's around.
She's around? Then why hasn't she come to greet us? We have been waiting.
She will soon come out. Trust me.
Everything is alright. Everything will be okay. Keep smiling in the sunlight. Here comes a new day. Everything is alright. Everything will be okay. Keep smiling in the sunlight. Here comes a new day. It's over. All your problems are over now. Life will be better. Things will surely improve from now. So get up, it's time to be happy. Get up and rejoice. Everything is alright.
What did they say? Did they tell you anything?
They said everything is okay.
Osand, what do you have to say?
Say something.
Everything is alright. Everything will be okay. Keep smiling in the sunlight. Here comes a new day. Everything is
I really don't know what to say.
Let us break the news to them. After all, there is nothing that has no solution except death.
You mean we should break the news to them?
What else?
Someone should call me Fabian and Osand.
should explain to me what on earth did I do to deserve this kind of humiliation and heartbreak from Josephine. No, tell me, Uncle, tell me.
Etiko, calm down, calm down.
Don't tell me to calm down. I'm not just interested in this rubbish anymore. Nonsense.
What is it? Calm down. What is it? Calm down.
Yes, also, what happened? My wife said you came to the house.
Yes, and what happened to your phone now? I've been calling you.
Oh, this NEPA issue, they refuse to make light available in my area. So what is it?
Richard, I have a serious issue. I need 160,000 naira like now.
What do you need that amount of money for at this time?
Josephine came.
Where's she?
She's inside and she's been crying since then. Stop now, huh? Stop. Relax, come on. I have the money now. Smile, I have the money now. Take. It's okay now, take.
Why is it that each time I ask you for money, for my school fees or anything, you always make me cry? Why?
See, the most important thing is that I have the money. Let's not talk about what happened before then. Hmm?
Thank you.
You're welcome. You know I love you.
I love you too.
And you know also that I'm always heartbroken each time I see you cry.
It's not too early. Go back, get job. Excuse me. Excuse me.
I'm sorry it happened this way. I couldn't find any possible means to tell you that I don't want to get married until after graduation. I'm so sorry. Please find a place in your heart to forgive me for letting you down at this point in time.
Josephine, are you aware that my people are seated in your father's living room right now, waiting to pay your bride price as agreed by both of us? Josephine, why?
I know it will happen this way, but it was so difficult for me to tell you. Sundu, you've done nothing wrong to me, but I just can't marry you.
You know, I was actually thinking that I was dreaming. But now it's dawned on me that this is reality. Just for the last time, look straight into my eyes and tell me you never wanted to do this. Go ahead and say it.
I'm sorry, it's not my fault.
It's okay.
I'm sorry now. Please forgive me somehow. I'm sorry now. Please forgive me somehow. I'm sorry I broke your heart. I'm sorry I tore your world apart. I'm sorry I left you and hurt you so badly. I'm sorry I made you cry. I'm sorry for every time I lied. I never knew you loved me so deeply. Forgive me, I'm sorry. I'm sorry now.
Babe, has he left? I'm talking to you now. Wait, babe, what are you doing? Are you crying?
Oh, no. I'm not crying.
If you're not, let's continue.
I'm sorry now.
Babe,
Please forgive me somehow.
I don't care whether you have any reason or not. Now listen, Josephine. If by this time tomorrow I don't see you in this house, then know that when next you are coming to this house, you are coming to pay me your last homage.
What did she say?
I did not call her to trade words with her.
Mama, what is wrong with Sister Josephine?
Mama, I don't know. But whatever is wrong with her is very powerful. Abu Dibia Gwonya. Ugoke.
Keep smiling in the sunlight. Here comes a new day. Everything is alright. Everything will be okay. Keep smiling in the sunlight. Here comes a new day. It's over. All your problems are over now. Life will be better. Things will surely improve.
Brother.
So get up, it's time to be happy. Get up and rejoice. Everything is alright.
Brother, look at the time. It's past 2 a.m. and you're still awake.
Don't sleep. I'll be fine.
No, brother, you are not fine. You are not fine, brother. Brother, this is the time for you to let go. Let Josephine go, since it's not the will of God that both of you will live together. You know that everything happens for a reason. Probably it wouldn't have worked out if both of you had married. Please, brother, be a man and let go of her. Biko. Oh, brother.
What is going on here? What is it?
Brother has refused to go to bed.
Osando, are you not the one I'm calling?
Mama, please. You people should sleep. Leave me alone. You people should go and sleep. I'm okay. I'll be fine.
No, brother. You are not okay. You are not fine.
Osando, you know the implication of what you are doing to yourself. Oh. You know it. By the time you develop BP, then you will know what you have done to yourself. Ketako Forogunanya. It's done on you now.
Brother, please don't listen to what she's saying. Oh?
Go to your room and stay.
No, I can't go to bed without you. Please follow me, let's go. Brother, please. Please now. Don't say no. Let's go.
Hey, Josephine! No, I'll kill you! You cannot say anything to my house! Come here! Go, listen! Leave me! Do you know the kind of shame and disgrace you brought to this family? How dare you, Josephine?
Is it only that one? Our beautiful reputation. This girl has shattered everything.
You know what? Come here. Come here!
Papa.
Look, calculate every kobo Osondu spent on your head and send it back to him before the end of tomorrow evening. Otherwise...
Not only that one. What happens to all the things he brought for the introduction?
Oh, everything inclusive. And my hospital bill.
Thank you very much.
Oh, shut up. Nonsense.
Don't worry, Ejimunka. Ejimia.
You sent for me. It's let you know.
I know. Sit down. Josephine, I purposely called you by this time of the night so that we can talk. Talk to me. Confide in me. What is it? Why this sudden change of attitude? Why did you change a date you and that man fixed all of a sudden?
Mama, is this why you called me out by this time of the night?
Of course you should have known that calling you at this time is because of this, so answer me.
Mama, Osand is not the type of man I want to spend the rest of my life with.
Really? Why did it take you so long? Eh? Why did it take you so long to realize that he's not the kind of man for you? He proposed to you. You accepted. And he started training you. For 4 years, this man spent his money on you. You did not realize. All of a sudden, you just realize that he is not the kind of man you want to spend the rest of your life with.
Mama, why is it that nobody's considering my feelings? Why don't you care about my happiness?
Josephine, we care about your happiness. That is why we don't want you to make this mistake.
Mama, I would have made the mistake of my life if I had married Osando. Do you love my father?
Of course I love my husband.
Would you have married him if you don't love him?
All these questions are for you to justify your not marrying him, right?
Mama, I used to love him. I loved him so much, but not anymore.
I will tell you just one thing this night. Whatever you give out, that is what you will receive. Good night.
Please, Sandra, can you excuse us? I want to talk to your friend in private.
Here. Oh, Chineke. This particular issue is driving some people crazy. But tell me, why are you people concerned about the whole thing? Is this marriage by force? Huh? Baby la hot. You have heard it now. In private. Best man.
So, Richard, what is it?
Look, Josephine, all is not well with my friend. My friend is dying.
I don't understand. How am I supposed to help? Am I a doctor?
Josephine, there's nothing in this world that has no solution. If he has offended you...
Wait, calm down. Please, just hold on.
Your friend has not offended me in any way.
What could be the matter then?
The relationship was not working well, so I had to call it quit.
I thought you could confide in me.
Richard, I've told you the truth and nothing else.
Look, Josephine, is there someone else?
I don't understand. I'm tired. I'm fed up with everything. Is that not enough reason?
Please sit down, let's talk.
I'm in a hurry. Please, make it snappy. What is it?
So, baby, please. I beg of you. See, just look back where we're coming from. To this point. all we have been through, the promises we gave to each other. Please, it's not fair if you just abandon me in the middle of nowhere like this. Where do I go from here? Baby, please.
Listen, just get up.
Please now.
Get up, you're still kneeling. Get up. Get up.
Okay, I'll get up.
See, Osondo, you did not offend me in any way. This marriage cannot work. Just try and understand me.
Please, I beg of you, just try and reconsider, please. Try. Just try, please.
If this is why you called me here, I'll be on my way.
Baby, please.
Madam, welcome.
Please, is Samuel in?
Samuel? Ogako?
Yes.
Yo, to Dakatade, make I call Oga.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Why didn't you call me to pick you up?
I tried and tried, but network was very bad.
Oh, sorry. You're welcome. I missed you.
I missed you so much.
How was your journey?
It was okay, but stressful.
I know. I want you to tell me the truth. The absolute truth. Please.
That's the only truth. We have a kind of brother and sister relationship. Although sometimes he calls me his wife.
Was he training you in school?
Yes. But not with the intention that he will marry me.
So, you never thought of the fact that he might have had the intentions to marry you after sponsoring your education?
I understand, sweetheart. But Osondo is not the kind of man I want to spend the rest of my life with. Do you know, before he gives me my school fees, he makes me cry. I mean, he breaks my heart all the time.
I'm sorry now. Please forgive me somehow. I'm sorry now.
We have been friends for so long. I know it's hard to move on, but you just have to move on. And when you do this, you will find out that is the best decision you have ever made in life.
But you know I love Joseph.
I know you love her so much, but you just have to let go of her. and move on with your life. Who knows what the future holds for you?
This world is very dynamic.
Nah, why mean to worry?
I'm fine. And how was the trip? The journey was fantastic. It was awesome. I missed you. I missed you too. Let's go inside. Let's go inside.
Yes, hold on. I'm coming. Oh my. Samuel, please come in. What a pleasant surprise.
Thank you.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Please sit down, sit down.
How's work?
Work. My brother, we've not been working for the past 6 months. We're on strike. They have not paid us our salary.
How do you people survive?
You've seen it too, and you know the worst part of it? Nobody is saying anything or doing anything about it. We're just like that, looking.
This country is dead.
But my friend, just come out from there. Let me get you cola, please.
No, I'm fine.
I insist, wait. Yeah, you know me, yes. Well done, my brother. Sit down with me.
Alright. Fine.
You're my brother and my friend. Have you forgotten that? Yeah, we'll have cola. So you're welcome.
Thank you. Thanks for the cola.
Yes.
Osando, but something important brought me to your house.
So this will have to wait. Okay, since it's here, not yet. Let's...
Osando, you and I have been friends for many years.
Yes.
And we can consider ourselves as brothers because we come from the same community.
You're very correct too.
I want us to be honest with each other.
Okay.
What is your relationship with Josephine? Mugwefi, the retired inspector.
Well, like you said, you like us to be sincere and straightforward.
Exactly.
So I would like to go straight to the point. Josephine and I have been in a relationship for the past 6 years. And he's very open to everybody who knows us, especially people from our community, including you. Or are you not aware?
No. I never knew. I've not been in the country for the past 3 years now.
Oh yes, my fault. I was told you traveled to Holland.
Yes.
How was your trip?
God is my strength. It went well. When I came to Enugu last 2 months, that's when I saw her. Josephine!
Do you know him?
Yes, I do.
Josephine!
Samuel!
Wow! I can't believe this!
Oh my God!
My goodness!
This is a surprise. What are you doing in Enugu?
I came for a friend's wedding. Yeah, I've been in Enugu for 2 days now. Look at you!
Oh God! Please meet my friend. He's like my brother. We're from the same community.
Such a cute guy.
I'm Samuel Bani.
Pleasure is mine.
Josephine! Wow! welcome. Thank you. Come in, sit down. Thank you. Wow, good to see you. So how is life generally?
Life is good, everything's fine.
That's good. So what would you like to take?
Soft to do.
Soft. Yeah, can I have a bottle of a soft drink? Anyone? Okay. Whoa! Welcome. So how's life generally?
Fine, everything is okay. It's been long you came home.
Oh yes. I've been in Holland for the last 3 years. I missed home, so I had to come back.
I had the rumor then, but it's okay. How is everything? Are you okay?
Yeah, I missed home. Feels so good to see you. You look so beautiful.
Thank you.
And fresh. Probably you just eat just egg and milk. And
oh come on, you're exaggerating.
look at your skin, girl. Wait, are you mad?
Oh, no. I just use this to scare men away.
No way. That's not true.
I'm serious.
So this is fake?
Yes.
Okay. Crazy. Wow. I missed home.
Yeah, I know.
Babe, do you know he has already booked my flight ticket? And he just sent me the details on my phone.
Are you kidding me?
Hey, baby, la hot.
See your own better. Oh. You know, be like us when they use bus, they waka. You use flights, they waka.
Yeah, dear, no.
Wow. But, wait, what are you going to tell your guy?
Must you know I'm traveling?
Babe, no set me up. What if he comes looking for you? What am I going to tell him?
Tell him you don't know where I've gone.
Biawokem, pick up your phone and call him. Tell him you're going to Lagos.
Okay, what if he asks me, who are you going to see or where are you going to, what are you going to do in Lagos?
Hey! So, you sabi do konamakin, you know sabi lie. Please, tell him something, you can tell him you're going for your friend's traditional marriage. No be me, your spiritual friend now,
Bado. I hate my cup for you. Now for you. Are you Elena? No wahala. Hey.
Trying to be a gentleman, huh?
I know.
Yeah,
welcome, madam.
Get the box from me. Wait. Here we are.
Oh, wow.
No. And I have a BQ over there.
Okay.
And then this is where I sit down.
Your house?
Yes. Like what you see?
Yes, it's awesome.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm sure you had quite a stressful journey.
Yes,
so It's time to get you freshened up. Let's go and get you freshened up, okay?
Okay.
Follow me. Watch the steps. What I'm saying, right?
Please, Onny, calm down. What has come over you?
That has come over me! Baby, will you marry me? Be my wife. I want to spend the rest of my life with you. I want to grow old with you. Don't say no. I say yes. I can put it. Yes! Oh, I love you. I love you. After the engagement, that's when I heard the rumor about your relationship with her.
Did you ask her?
Yes, I did. And she said there was nothing common between you two, except the fact that you were training her in school. That's what she said.
You see, I did not make any mistake for loving you. Because my love for you was not for shame. It was a source of strength to me. I will not begrudge you because you were stupid. You followed money in place of the love that I have for you, the true love. It's okay. But one thing, I will never forgive you. It's the embarrassment that my kinsmen and I suffered right in your father's living room because of you. It will never be well with you.
Eh? Back to sender. Eh? You're not saying anything. He just cursed you and you didn't say anything.
His curse cannot have any effect on me.
Nonsense.
I'm sorry now. Please forgive me somehow.
Oh, thank God I met you here.
I'm sorry now.
What is the problem?
There won't be any problem if you listen to me. But if you want one, go ahead and marry Josephine. And as soon as you do, you have declared yourself my best enemy. You have a good day.
Osondo.
My son, you're welcome.
Thank you, Papa.
The news you brought to us is a very good one.
Yes, sir.
That shows you a man.
My son is now a man.
Mama.
I'm very happy for you. At least for having this kind of idea. I'm so happy.
Thank you.
We have to start looking for, or have you seen anyone?
Papa, yes, I've seen someone. She's from our community.
Etiko.
Yes.
Hey, who is she?
Our Lord is good.
All the time.
Do we know her?
Yes, you do, Papa. She's Ogbuefi's daughter.
Oh.
Ogbuefi from Amankwo.
Oh, good. Very good.
Ogbuefi?
Yes.
The retired inspector?
Yes.
But I heard one of the daughters has problem with Igwebike's son who wanted to marry her.
Yes, that's true. But they've settled the matter now. They parted ways amicably. No problem, Papa.
Is she the one you're talking about?
Yes, Mama.
God forbid! It cannot be.
It may be Sioko.
Mama. Papa.
Shut up! I'm your father and you must listen to me. That girl belongs to someone. She is Osondo's wife and everybody in this village knows that. Come. What is special about her that you can't look for another girl? Marriage with her cannot work. Look for another girl.
My son, what your father has just said is the simple truth. She is Osondo's wife. Osondo has been there for her all these years. Please, don't go there, Pico.
The earlier, the better.
For you. Father, I understand that you are angry. But you need to calm down and listen to me. I did my own investigation. And when I asked her, she said she had nothing in common with Osondo.
God will punish that mouth that she used to say that word.
But it could be true.
How can she say she has nothing in common with Osondo? Osondo who has been busy training her and could not even do anything for his family. Here, women.
Samuel, I refuse to believe that you were the reason she abandoned everybody on the day of her introduction. And any woman who could do such a thing is not worth a wife. Samuel Onwam, Sieba Hopota, you will not marry her.
My son, let us look for another good girl for you.
I am not interested.
Whether you are or you are not, that girl must not step her foot into this family. Megosigi no mu abunage.
Never! Never! Look, tell that young man not to step foot in my house. Otherwise, I will cut it off. If you go, now I have seen the person who has been deceiving you. Josephine.
Josephine, I have asked you a couple of times why you will jilt a man that has done so much for you. You said nothing. Nekwabo, Ajadrokwe. Naibiko, I am sorry. I don't want to be a part of this meeting.
Neither man.
Sister.
I'm sorry I broke your heart. I'm sorry I tore your world apart. I'm sorry I left you and hurt you so badly. I'm sorry I made you cry. I'm sorry for every time I lied.
Andy!
Mama,
I am back.
you're back.
Welcome. Look at us like that.
Hey, mango.
I know you like mango.
Thank you. Mama, how did you pluck it?
Ezekiel and I got it for me. On my way back, I saw him plucking mango, so I asked him to get me some because I know you like it.
Thank you, Mama.
Hey, watch the lettuce eat. I know you like it.
Wait, let me gist you first. I'll wash it. Eh? Mama, the truth is finally out.
Here. The truth, Kwa.
Yes, Mama.
What truth are you talking about?
Mama, Josephine is getting married to Samuel.
Josephine is getting married to Samuel. Samuel. Who is Samuel?
Mama, Mark's son now. Samuel that lives in Lagos. The one I said traveled overseas.
And I know him. I see. Hey. So it is because...
Man, this is unbelievable. Samuel really made a very big mistake. A hell of a mistake.
Well, I told him if he goes ahead to marry Josephine, that he should have it in mind that he has signed a bond, signing himself out of my life, and I have declared him my worst enemy for life.
Well, what did he say to that?
Absolutely not.
Josephine has really taught me a hell of a lesson. Man, women are not to be trusted.
I don't even think I will ever have anything to do with any woman again. Never. Not after what I've been through.
Look. It's too early to conclude. You don't have to say that. There are still some good girls out there that really matters in our life. It's just a question of meeting them.
Well, as it is now for me, no woman really matters anymore. Trust me.
Anyway, like I said before, you don't have to conclude yet.
Mama, I'm sorry for calling you out by this time of the night.
Just be very fast about it.
Please, Mama. Mama, you're a woman like me. Please don't look at my attitude from a different angle. Look at it from an angle of a woman who knows where her heart belongs. Mama, I've been in love with Osondo all these years because no one has challenged him. Mama, Osondo is not romantic. He's not caring. Mama, he makes me cry.
Josephine, you knew all this, yet you kept quiet.
Mama, since I knew Osondo, I've known no other man. I was just blindfolded. I never knew a man could be so romantic, so caring and so kind-hearted until I met Samuel.
Sit. Osondo has been there for us. Not just for you, but for every member of this family. And God in heaven will not forgive us if you marry another man.
Mama, please consider my happiness, my emotions, my life, Mama. Please, Mama, consider the fact that this is the man I'm going to spend the rest of my life with. How would I make a good home if I'm with a man whom my heart doesn't beat for? But I can marry him out of pity. If that will make you happy. I hope you know what that means, Mama.
Father, I called you out separately because the way we reason is different from the way women reason. I want us to discuss this issue one-on-one, face-to-face, like father and son. Since I was born, I've never disobeyed you. Never ever. I've always brought honor to your name. And since I became an adult, you've never disrespected my opinion, Father. Father, I want your approval. Father, concerning this marriage, I can't go on without your approval. Please, it matters to me.
But that woman doesn't.
Look, Father, look, no woman is an angel. And no one is completely perfect. Yeah, she jilted the man that was supposed to marry her, the man that took care of her, but that doesn't make her a bad person. There are still some good things about her. I'm sure. Father, please. I need to live my life as a happy man. I need to know my family approves of my marriage. I need your blessing, Father. Please.
Okay, I've heard you, but give me some time to make inquiry.
Babe, listen. At this point, you don't have to listen to anybody. Just follow your heart, because your happiness is involved. Marriage shouldn't be out of pity, because you're going to spend the rest of your life with that person. So just stop thinking and follow your heart.
Everybody's against me. Nobody's considering my feelings. Not even my younger sister.
Oh, Josephine, I just told you something. Don't listen to anyone, just follow your heart. Okay, come to think of it, Samuel is very rich. If it comes to us, he can pay us on whatever he thinks he has spent on me. Yes. It's okay. Just stop that. Baby la hot. It's okay. It's alright.
I should have been the one to come over to you, but I have my reasons for asking you to come over. You're welcome.
Thank you. I hope all is well.
Yeah, all is very well. I just want to make some inquiries from you.
I'm at your disposal.
Thank you so much. It is about Ugwefi's daughter. I learned you are the middleman between him and Osondo, Igwebike's son.
Yes, I was. But now, I'm no more.
Exactly why I sent for you. Tell me more about this.
If I may ask, why are you interested in this matter?
Well, let me go straight to the point because you're not a different person to me. Okay. My son is interested in the girl.
Your son is free. Osondo is as free as bird in the air. Josephine and Osondo have separated.
Oh, really?
They are no longer together.
Thank you so much for that.
But is that why you did not even care to offer me a little color, not in your house?
I'm sorry, I've sent for it. You know, when you're going for a very serious matter, at times you forget some protocols. I've sent for it.
Please, if what you called me for has to do with Josephine, Biko, allow me to go and sleep. Please.
My husband, please, permit me to say something about it.
Make it snappy, Biko.
Thank you. Please, I understand. I'm begging you on our daughter's behalf. Let us listen to her. Especially now that she's separated from Osondo.
I have told you I want to use that thing to punish her.
Aye.
Yes. That man cannot marry my daughter. Mba, never.
Remember that where there is no forgiveness.
Keep your pretties to yourself.
Papa.
And you, where are you going? And where are you going?
Sir, I'm here to see you.
You're wasting your time because you can never marry my daughter, never.
Papa.
Shut up. You deceived my daughter. You made her deal with a man who has suffered for her for years and the family. Now tell me, if you were in his shoes, how would you feel? Answer me!
I will not be happy.
Then, leave my house now and never return.
Papa Joe.
Keep out of this.
Papa,
Shut up! If I ever see you around my daughter again,
go now. Just go.
I am your father. Please shut up! Shut up. I am your father. I married your mother and she conceived you. From the day you were born, I have taken care of you up to today. I swear to God, if you make me regret ever having you as a daughter, I will send you to an early grave. Now get out of my sight. Out!
My son, so you mean the accident your car had was beyond repair?
Thank you, yes, but even if it wasn't, I have decided to let that car go with all the troubles. I don't want to put my money into it again.
Brother, why not sell the car and buy another?
I think you have a point too.
Good.
I'll think about it.
Okay. Fabian was here yesterday.
Who? For what? Where?
He said Mark summoned him. He wanted to find out more about the case with Josephine.
I just don't understand this. Because I don't know why they're getting you involved in all their wahala. I've told Sam that if he wants to marry Josephine, he should go ahead now. After all, he still knows the way to Ogbefi's house. Oh, is he not scared of Ogbefi?
That's me.
Don't you know that those men are very crafty?
If they like, they should be. If they like, they shouldn't. I've told Samuel what he needs to know. And that's final about it. If he goes ahead to marry Josephine, from that day he has declared himself my best enemy as far as this community is concerned.
Finish.
That's all.
Finish.
Exactly. Whoever that marries her is your enemy.
As if Josephine is the only woman on earth.
I don't understand though.
Nonsense.
After all, my sister, you're a woman too.
You know what? As if she's the only woman on earth.
Keep smiling in the sunlight. I'm sorry I broke your heart. I'm sorry I tore your world apart. I'm sorry I left you and hurt you so badly. I'm sorry I made you cry. I'm sorry for every time I lied. I never knew you loved me so deeply. Forgive me, I'm sorry.
Hello, baby.
Hello, baby. How come you're still awake by this time of the night?
I feel for you. My wounded heart bleeds for the man who has shown me so much care, love and affection. My father's embarrassment was enough to destabilize the love you have for me, but it never did.
My love for you has no boundaries. It has come to stay.
Thank you for putting a smile on my lips again.
You're welcome, baby.
Kiss me, baby, so I can sleep well. I love you so much.
Good night.
Everything is alright. Everything will be okay. Keep smiling in the sunlight. Here comes a new day. Everything is alright. Everything will be okay. Keep smiling in the sunlight. Here comes a new day. It's over. All your problems are over now. Life will be better. Things will surely improve from now. So get up, it's time to be happy. Get up and rejoice. Everything is alright.
I remember I told you never to show your face in my house again, didn't I?
Keep smiling in the sunlight. Here comes a new day.
Yes, sir, you did.
So what are you doing here?
Sir, I came to correct an impression.
What stupid impression is that?
About what you said last time.
What about that?
Sir, you said I deceived your daughter.
Yes, you did. You did.
But it's not true. So I can swear with anything that I never knew she had a relationship with another man.
I didn't know.
Osondu is my friend. And I cannot betray him. So I've been in Holland for the past 3 years. And when I got back, I met your daughter in Enugu. And we got along. When I got the information about her relationship with Osondu, I went straight to Osondu. Yes, sir. You can call him and confirm this story. I swear. He told me your daughter jilted him. and that they were no longer together. Sahib, he gave me a go-ahead. He said it was okay. I swear.
Dania, you have no man, you got no young boutique.
Sandra.
Huh?
The introduction was yesterday.
Brother. 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 Are you thinking about it?
No. I'm not thinking about it.
Brother, please forget about it and move on with your life. Oh, don't let it bother you. Biko, please.
Both of you are medically okay.
We are medically okay. Then what's the problem?
It could be God's will.
God's will?
God's will that we won't bear children?
God's time is the best. That's what I mean.
Then what?
Just be prayerful. Relax your mind. You are okay. Everything will be alright. of you should calm down, okay?
Josephine, you have to put your trust in God. Prayer should always be your companion. Pray without ceasing, and God will definitely see you through.
Sandra, I pray. I pray always. In fact, I've virtually read the whole Bible. Why are you laughing at me for crying out loud? I pray all the time.
No, seriously, I'm sorry. It's not like I'm laughing at you. But just continue to pray, eh? Pray without ceasing.
I pray. But it's like God is silent to my prayers.
Don't say that. God can never be silent over your prayer. Just continue to pray. And one day, He will definitely answer you. Trust me on that.
My husband is gradually losing it. I can see through his eyes.
But you should know that the fault is not from you now.
Like you don't know men. When the problem of childlessness is spelled out in the family, it's the woman's fault.
That's true. You're right. But with prayers, you can prove them wrong. Huh?
What an elderly man sees sitting down, a child cannot see even if he climbs the top of an iroko tree. And when an ear refuses to heed to instruction or advice, when the head is cut off, it goes with it. What didn't I tell you, Samuel, concerning marrying Josephine? Now it has happened.
My dear wife, this is not the time to apportion blames. I think what we should be doing now is to look for solutions.
Solution?
Yes.
Whatever and wherever you want to get a solution from, I don't want to be a part of it. Count me out.
Mama, why are you doing this to me?
I am not doing anything to you, Samuel. You brought it upon yourself. Excuse me.
Mama. Mama.
Everything will be alright.
Everything is alright. Everything will be okay. Keep smiling in the sunlight. Here comes a new day. Everything.
Ome mmadụ kọrọ wii akụkọ dịkwa ụkọ ogbo onye ọma obisirisa aga aga ana na agbagbe na-ata nri ogbo onye ọma egbugoro onye aka dị ọcha o metere buru Mike, sit down. Your daughter-in-law is an Obanje. She has a spiritual husband. And without appeasing the spirit, she will never conceive.
How do we go about appeasing the spirits?
There are certain things you will buy as a sacrifice to appease the spirit before your daughter-in-law will conceive.
Well, Samuel, this is the list of the items for the cleansing.
Like I told you, you don't have to relent. You and your husband must pray without ceasing.
Pastor, we have been praying, but it's as if God doesn't want to answer our prayers.
No, God does not keep silent to one's prayer. His time is the best.
His time is the best, his time is the best. Isn't it yet time for him to answer us?
That is why he is God. He is all-knowing. Alright?
Whatever I'm doing is for the benefit of this family. Please don't see it from a negative perspective. Let's just do it and still face God.
You know what? Your little faith has been the problem to our success.
What?
Are you a hypocrite? Answer me, are you?
Not. You know I'm not.
Then tell them. Tell them that your wife is not an Obanje. Tell them that the God we serve will hear our prayers.
My wife is...
Shut up! Between you and your wife, who is marrying each other? Samuel, I'm asking you.
I wonder. Samuel, what is her reason?
She says she belongs to God. And that she's not an Obanje.
Well, let me tell you, there are no two ways about it. It is either she returns home for the cleansing, or you get a second wife. We are very eager, repeat, we are very eager to see our grandchildren.
Samuel, tell her that we also belong to God. Tell her that she has no choice but to come and do it.
You heard your mother very well.
Yes, I heard her. But is there no other way we can do this without her?
No, there's no other way. She must be part of it.
I don't want to be party to what we are going through. This is your life, so you live it. Whatever you see, you take it.
Nambikoziano, why do you want to turn your back on me now I need you most? Biko no.
You need me, but what can I do? If by going through the cleansing we make you bear children for your husband, then go ahead with it.
Hey, Papa. You want me to go to river for rituals just for me to bear children?
Ne, Biko, don't mind your father. You are not going to the river for any cleansing. Oh?
She's your daughter, quite alright. But she belongs to another man now, who has made a home with her. So allow them to solve their problems themselves.
Nai, did you serious? She's not an Obanje. What is she going to the river to do? Huh? I don't know why you people are worried. Since the doctors have told you that both of you are medically okay. Huh?
Mama, what you said is true. But how long will I continue hearing those words? Mama, Biko, no. Only for just look at me. I'm not getting any younger.
No problem, Mom. Just get ready for the cleansing.
I want Natiano. I believe I have said my own. Solve your problem.
Everything is alright. Everything will be okay. Keep smiling in the sunlight. Here comes a new day. Everything is alright. Everything will be okay. Keep smiling in the sunlight. Here comes a new.
Everything is set. The goat and the other items are in the car now. So just get ready and let's go. Huh? Please. Baby, let's do this. Okay? Doing this will not stop us from worshiping God. Please. Let's give Caesar what belongs to him. Please.
So, you believe I'm an Obanje, right?
Look, Baby, my concern is for us to have children. That's all. I don't care if you're an Obanje or not. That's not my focus. Just do this, please. Do this for me. If you love me, please do this for me, baby. Let's get this over with. I promise you everything will be fine. Please. Come here. It's okay. Just be strong. Let's go and do this. Trust me, everything will be fine.
Josephine, my friend here told me about a place where she goes for prayers. She said that the woman is very powerful.
Yeah, she's very spiritual. If she sees you, she will tell you everything about you.
Okay. That's the kind of person I've been looking for. I mean, someone that can tell me what my problem is.
She is the right person for you.
So, when can we go? I mean, today, tomorrow, anytime I'm ever ready.
Don't worry, it's on Wednesdays. Just relax.
Alright, I think I'll go with you. Okay. It's okay. Everything will be fine.
To you.
Jesus.
Your problems are over. Hey.
Praise the Lord. Our Lord is good. Thank you.
Josephine, you don't need to be disappointed. The woman didn't see anything on your head. Or do you want her to tell you something that she didn't see on your head?
What did I do? Look at you that brought me. You received miracle instead of me.
Yeah, my dear, I need a miracle as well as you do. Seriously, like I said before, the woman did not see anything on you.
As far as you can believe in this woman, your miracle is on the way.
How else should I believe in her? If I don't believe in her, would I be here in the first place?
Don't worry. With prayers, everything will be fine.
You need to be prayerful.
Okay, fine. Let's do it this way. We'll come back next week. If it's okay, right?
You were here last week, right?
Yes.
What is the problem? Why are you here? I've been married for years and I've not been able to conceive.
I see. You've been married for years, yet no issue. Woman! The solution to your problem lies in your hands. Who is that man standing behind you with tears? Woman, what did you do to this man that made him vow never to hear cry of a baby in your life? That man is hurt. His heart was broken. He lost everything because of you. Listen to me. You must go to him and ask for forgiveness. Go to him with your husband because he is aware of what I'm talking about. God will grant your request as soon as that man forgives you. In Jesus' name. Amen.
Hello.
Oh my God.
Sandra. How are you?
I'm fine. And how is your wife?
She's alright. Are you going my way?
Yes.
Come in, let me drop you off.
Thank you. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
If you have no skeleton in your cupboard, how come you didn't let me know when you got back? Why?
I don't trust that woman. That's why I didn't tell you. And moreover, everything seemed plotted. Like someone told us everything about me. Honestly, I suspect Sandra.
Oh my goodness. This issue of childlessness has led you to so many prayer houses already. It's enough. Stop. Do you know how many fake prophets that are out there? You need to put a stop to it, please. Please, stop. Must you visit all the prayer houses? Don't even know who's infecting you with a familiar spirit.
Get up and rejoice. Everything is alright. Everything will be okay. Keep smiling in the sunlight. Here comes a new...
Why are you here with your husband? Thomas say well. You told your husband that someone gave me information about you. Isn't it? Your wife is stubborn. And that was why you took her away from a man who suffered so much for her years ago. Let me tell you, that man is not happy with both of you. Oh yes. And you will never see favor until you go and ask him for forgiveness. Listen to me. Go and ask that man. Kneel down before him and ask him to forgive you. And stop coming here.
Forgive me. Not because I deserve forgiveness from you, but because you deserve peace. Everything you are today, you deserve so much more because you're a real man. You made me who I am today. You showed me so much love, care, affection and kindness. You took care of me. Your words healed me. You were there for me when nobody else was there.
I'm sorry I broke your heart. I'm sorry I tore your world apart. I'm sorry
Stand up, sit down.
I left you and hurt you so badly. I'm sorry I made you cry. I'm sorry for every time I lied. I never knew you loved me so deeply.
See, I realize that it's good to be in love. But I also realized that it's very important to be in love with somebody who will not play with your heart and your emotion. Because you played with my love. You played my love like football. You even played it over the bar. But thank God for my wife. She caught it like a goalkeeper. She nurtured it and took care of me and helped to bring the best out of me. You know, losing you then, it hurt a lot. It hurt so much that I thought I wasn't going to be able to move on again. But when I found love again, I realized it was the best decision I've ever taken all my life. Our love to me was a lesson. Though it did hurt. I also realized that there are people who are meant to be. There are people who will never be. And there are also those who will continuously be.
As for you, my brother, I thought you were my friend. But I realized it was better to have an enemy. Enemies who declare to you right in your very before that they're your enemies. To have a friend like you who backstab me. But life is a school. Honey,
Yes, dear.
call my daughter for me, please.
Okay. Excuse me.
Okay. Yes, Mom. Your dad wants to say. Okay.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Come and sit down. Well, these are my family. Wonderful home, not a house. You saw my cars outside. Business is also good. All my life, I have never ever visited any native doctor. But what this woman did to me, it hurt so much that I went down on my knees and I gave it up to God. Having seen everything that you're seeing here today, this sweet family, it will be very unjust of me to still begrudge her. Therefore, with the same mouth for which I cried, I speak upon you today, that it shall be well with you.
Amen.
You would enjoy your marriage.
Amen.
You will bear children for your husband.
Amen.
You will bring peace to your home.
Amen.
I declare that you are a success.
Amen.
Go and prosper.
Amen.
Thank you, baby.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
I'm trying to say something.
Please go ahead. Yes.
Why did you go to that extent?
You know, I really went through hell in the hands of Josephine. I just wanted her to feel a little bit of what she put me through. Do you know what that girl did to me? She really dealt with me. Do you know what it means to abandon your own sister? When I trained her in school and my sister started at home, my only sister.
Osondo, what is wrong with you? Osondo, are you out of your mind? Why do you want to abandon your sister to train a woman that is not yet your wife? How dare you think of such a thing?
Mama, I did not abandon Anne. I only asked her to give me just a little time. As soon as Josephine graduates, I will face her.
That is in the next 4 years, Osondo. Hey, Osondo, why do you hate your sister this much? Why?
Mama, I don't hate Anne at all. And she knows it. I'm only asking for just patience. Let her just be patient for a while. And I'll face her. Osondo, you want to train a woman you don't even know her future? Ha! Osondo.
Mama, please do not go there at all. Josephine has a future, and her future is connected to me. My own future, we are together in this.
That which you put on, no? Your future is connected to her future. You don't have any future with her. You don't have any future. All I'm asking you to do is to train your only sister. That is what I want you to do. Don't have any future with her. You don't have any future with her.
I never knew it was going to be that easy. But on the contrary, Anne showed me love like never. She was there for me. She supported me. She encouraged me. She's the best.
I have always known Anne as someone that is kind-hearted.
You know, I really don't know where to start from, like I said before. The things I went through in the hands of Josephine. Is it embarrassment?
Osondo, I know we're not in good times. Josephine and I have established a strong relationship. And now, I want to marry her.
So?
Yes. Yes.
I will only say this one more time. And now, like I said before, if you marry Josephine, if you ever marry Josephine, you've signed a bond to remain my worst enemy.
Osondo, just to make things easier for us, let me pay you back for whatever you spent on her. Her school fees and any other expenses you've made. I will pay you back. Just name the...
Sam, get out of my house now!
Osondo, we can...
Get out of my house, Samuel!
Look, just calm down.
Out of my house! Oh my God, idiot!
Brother!
Osondo, can you imagine?
Brother!
Osondo!
Brother!
Tell him to get out of my house.
Osondo!
Uncle, go!
Get out!
Go now! Uncle, go!
Get out of my house! Oh! Oh! Samuel!
That he wants to pay me back every money I spent on Josephine.
Does he think I'm hungry?
Osondo,
Woman, where's your husband?
is there any problem?
Please call your husband for me. I don't have time.
Nine. Papa Samuel.
Hello?
Yo.
Osondo.
Sir,
Udodi.
I came here only because I have respect for both of you. Try and reach your son.
Whenever you see him, tell him to stay away from me. He should stay very far away from me. Because if he dares come close to me, I swear by the gods of Allah, I'll kill him. Osondo!
I'm finished saying what
Osondo! Better warn him. Tell him I said so. Tell him, stay away from me.
What is the problem?
Osondo! Osondo!
Get me my phone. Let me call Samuel.
I didn't know he was coming to your house.
You shut up, you liar.
You come to my house. Let me tell you, the next time I spot both of you in my house, I'll make sure you die one after the other. And after that, even if I go to jail, I don't mind. Shut up, idiot!
Don't mind him. Empty threats. Go to jail. Hello, no. Nonsense. Look at him. Just relax. Forget about that. Relax.
My kinsmen and myself. Insults. Or even the accident that I had on my way to go look for her to find out what the matter was. On the day we were supposed to pay her bride price. She was nowhere to be found.
Baby, everything is fine now, okay? At least you have me now.
Everything is alright. Everything will be okay. Keep smiling in the sunlight. Here comes a new day. Everything is alright. Everything will be okay. Keep smiling in the sunlight. Here comes a new day. It's over. All your problems are over now. Life will be better. Things will surely improve from now. So get up, it's time to be happy. Get up and rejoice. Everything is alright. Everything will be okay. Keep smiling in the sunlight. Here comes a new day.
Yes, darling. What is it, babe? Why are you so excited?
Guess what?
I'm not in the mood for a guessing game. Just tell me what it is.
Just say anything. Just guess anything.
No, I can't guess. Just tell me. Say it. What is it? What's going on? What? What?
Yeah.
Oh, baby, thank you. Thank you. So I'm going to be a dad. I'll be a father.
Yes. Wow.
I love you. Oh, baby, this calls for celebration. Huh? What?
Her name will be Destiny.
His name?
Her name.
No, come on, baby. We already talked about this. Please, before
We did talk about it.
my hair. Come on. His name. Baby, his name.
Honey.
His name.
Honey.
His name. His name.
Honey.
His name.
Everything is alright. Everything will be okay. Keep smiling in the sunlight.
I'm not about this. Look at this one.
You take all of them then. Come on, why are we only picking female clothes? What about that? For a man? For my boy?
Okay, you know what? We'll pick some for girls and some for boys. So it's going to be a 50-50.
Perfect. Perfect.
Okay.
Yeah.
And this is nice.
Life will be better. Things will surely improve from now. So get up, it's time to be happy. Get up and rejoice. Everything is alright. Everything will be okay. Keep smiling in the sunlight. Here comes a new day. Everything is
Find two of them.
Keep smiling in the sunlight. Here comes a new day. It's over. All your problems are over now. Life will be better. Things will surely improve from
Are you vomiting? What did you eat?
Same thing we ate since morning.
Let me go and change so I can take you to the hospital, okay?
No. I'll be fine.
Hello? Okudiri, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
Okudiri, we are not fine, no. And that's why I'm calling you.
What's the problem?
Your brother has been vomiting since yesterday. And now he's hospitalized.
Can I speak with him?
No, you can't. He's very weak.
Alright. I'll call you later, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Everything is alright. Everything will be okay. Keep smiling in the sunlight. Here comes a new day. Everything is alright. Everything will be okay.
It started 2 nights ago. I woke up and saw him vomiting in the restroom. And the next morning I brought him here.
Has the doctor been able to find out the cause?
Immediately we came in, they ran a test on him. But up until now, they've not been able to clear me on the result.
Okay. Let me see the doctor. I'm coming right now.
All your problems are over now. Life will be better. Things will surely improve from now. So get up, it's time to be happy. Get up and rejoice. Everything is alright. Everything will be okay. Keep smiling in the sunlight. Here comes a new day. Everything is alright. Everything will be okay. Keep smiling in the sunlight. Here comes a new day. Everything is alright.
How is pain?
Subside.
You'll be alright, yeah?
Prepare me
Yes, honey.
oha soup.
Okay, honey.
That's what I want to eat.
Okay. Do you want stockfish or dry fish?
Stockfish.
Just wait, please. Make it big. I'm also hungry.
Okay. Just take care of him, yeah?
Use nylon. Use nylon.
Everything is alright. Everything will be okay. Keep smiling in the sunlight. Here comes a new day. Everything is alright. Everything will be okay. Keep smiling in the sunlight. Here comes a new day. It's over. All your problems are over now. Life will be better. Things will surely improve from now. So get up, it's time to be happy. Get up and rejoice. Everything is alright. Everything will be okay. Keep smiling in the sunlight. Here comes a new day. Everything is alright. Everything will be okay. Keep smiling in the sunlight. Here comes a new day. Everything is alright. Everything will be okay. Keep smiling in the sunlight. Here comes a new day. Everything is alright. Everything will be okay. Keep smiling in the sunlight. Here comes a
Do you care for banana? Maybe do you care for maybe one or two before your wife comes back with the food? Don't worry, you'll be fine. Yeah? Brother.
Where is his wife?
Eh?
Where is his wife?
Okay. She went out to prepare something for him to eat. What is it?
Fred, we lost him.
Is it? What did you say? Lost who? Brother? 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 Come with that, please. Brother? Brother?
Say something.
Calm down, please. Just calm down.
Why are you telling me to calm down? What's wrong with my husband? Please calm down. Why is everybody telling me to calm down? What is wrong with my husband?
See, this one. He's dead. Please, just calm down.
Follow me, people. Follow me, honey, I prepared the soup. I put plenty stockfish inside. Come and eat. Honey?
God, please.
Leave me alone. Honey, come and eat. Honey, I brought the food now. Come and eat. Honey, wake up. It's not my summer, Mama. This is okay. It's okay. This is not my summer. It's okay. Tell me someone else is okay. It's okay. This is someone else, right? Is someone else, right? Someone else, please tell me. How am I supposed to live?
Love me so deeply.
Mama, wait now.
What is it?
Papa, Mama just came in and took the money I was counting.
I sent her.
Papa, you did what?
I sent her. I did.
Why would you do such a thing? Knowing very well that the things I used in entertaining my friends, I got them on credit.
I don't want to look at your face if I stand up from here. Witch. Your plan has worked, Hawaya. But I can assure you that what happened to my son will happen to you.
Not for my sister. Papa, did you hear that?
Papa heard you loud and clear. He heard it loud and clear. The information written to us is that you killed my brother. Josephine. Josephine.
Deny it. Obumadu.
Me? Josephine Wachuku, daughter of Obuefi, that I killed my husband.
I'm the one that killed him. See it, daughter of Obuefi. You killed him. Obuefi, Ibugonian. Please, Papa, wait. Papa, wait.
She's pregnant.
Out.
She is pregnant.
As if
Gabazian,
come.
Please.
Leave her out. Don't worry. Obuefi, Ibugonian. You can't take the retire. Obuefi.
Mama, they accused me of killing my own husband. My own Samuel, that I killed him. Mama, what did I do? What did I do?
Mama, what
pained me was when they said what happened to the husband will happen to her. Meaning what?
Ne, don't mind them. Nothing will happen to you. Oh no, Madam Uju. Oh?
Papa? No. Papa, you're not saying anything. You're just quiet.
He is not in a good mood.
Mama, you and Papa should go and warn those people. I am no longer comfortable with their utterances. I have said my own.
I'll talk to your father. No, it's okay. Oh?
Ogwefi, this case is not a simple one. How do we handle it?
Umunam, my kingsman, I've been short of words since my daughter returned yesterday.
Ogwefi, we don't need to fold our arms over this. Such an accusation can dent someone's image.
You're right, Onny. You're right. Because if nothing is done about it, it only means one thing. That our daughter is guilty.
Exactly.
Our people say that after blaming the fly, it will surely end up in the pit with the cops. Ndi Bwasina, Agwantinanti Anoro, Abilisi, Intisolu. Everything I said have come to pass.
My husband, please. This is not the right time to start apportioning blames. What we should be thinking about is how to prove our daughter's innocence.
Exactly. Exactly. Yes. We have to do something urgently. Urgently. Deme, you're correct. Something has to be done urgently. You cannot fold our arms like this and start watching the event unfold.
I asked my daughter several times, and she kept saying the same thing, that she did not kill her husband.
She killed my son.
She did not kill your son.
She killed my son.
I said she did not.
She did. Let us speak the truth.
Oboefi, you said you've asked your daughter severally.
Yes, I did.
Nne, what do you have to say before us?
I did not kill my husband.
Oh.
You did.
I can swear to anything.
You heard what your daughter said?
Yes, I heard her. And we are all solidly behind her.
Yes, sir.
In that case, I will have to consult with my kinsmen and then get over to you.
Papa, it's a lie. Papa, I said it's a lie. We must resolve this thing here and now. I don't have time to go and consult anybody, please. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. No! We must resolve it here and now.
Let us do it the way your
father said. No, sir. I said no. I said no. Resolve it here and now, please. Papa. Papa.
Oh my fall follow you now. Let us do it that way. Inugo, butu.
Please, my elders, I have a question to ask.
Please go ahead. Ask your question.
Thank you, sir. Does a pregnant woman take an oath?
Well, your question is in order. Because in Igbo land, a pregnant woman does not take oath.
So why is my daughter's own different? Why would anyone even suggest that?
Mama, I was the one that suggested it to them. My condition has nothing to do with this.
Shut up. What do you mean your condition has nothing to do with the oath? Do you know tradition?
Papa, I will prove your tradition wrong by taking the oath with this pregnancy and nothing will happen to me. Why are we even having this meeting in the first place? I thought we agreed with our elders that I would take the oath.
Actually, you're right. This thing totally skipped our mind.
It's too late to go back now, Papa.
No, it's not little. Your life is involved here, Josephine.
Nothing will happen to me, I promise.
It is not a matter of anything happening to you. It's a tradition that a pregnant woman doesn't take oath. But however, if our in-laws come calling, we'll tell them to be patient until after your delivery.
No, Papa, I disagree with you.
But listen to us.
Papa, don't shut me up. Don't shut me up. I'm tired of the situation. I'm tired. Let me take this oath and be free for once. If you don't want to go with me, I'll go alone.
I knew it! Papa, Mama, if Josephine refuses to swear, I will kill her.
Whether she swears or not, it has been proven to everybody that she killed my son.
Mama, that woman will not go scot-free. She will not go scot-free as far as I'm concerned. In fact, first thing tomorrow morning, I'll be in her house. She must swear!
Okudele, calm down. This music is not for young ones. It's for the elders to dance.
Papa, I disagree with you. I disagree with you, Papa. We are talking about my elder brother here, not an outsider.
That is why your father said you should calm down. Let him first of all present the matter to his kinsmen.
Oh, Mama, Umuheki's men will take time. It will take time. In fact, I will handle it my own way.
And when you go there tomorrow, what are you going to do?
Oh, Papa, I swear to God, if I set my eyes on that woman, I will not spare her. I will not spare her.
Obalaya did not go, huh? Take it easy.
Calm down, my son. Let us follow it traditionally.
What kind of nonsense tradition are you talking about here? Eh? A tradition that refused a woman to take the oath.
Don't worry, we are going to handle it.
Who is here? Whenever.
Welcome.
Hold your gate. Where is your sister?
Of this.
Go and call her for me. Call her for me. If you like, go to heaven and hide. Go to heaven and hide. As far as this life is concerned, you must pay daily for my brother's death.
Okudiri, hold it there. My sister did not kill your brother.
She killed him. Now let me ask you, it's not obvious. Why did she refuse to take the oath? She used her own mouth to suggest before everybody in our house. Why?
Okudiri, I did not refuse to take the oath.
Shut up! Shut up! Akwage, wait. As far as this life is concerned, Josephine, I will not relent until you pay daily for my own brother's death.
You lie. You cannot do anything.
I cannot do anything.
Yes.
Josephine, watch and see. Just watch and see. Just watch and see.
Hey! Don't mind him, eh? You cannot do anything. You know, it's just attacking me. Don't mind him. From left, right, center.
Stop now.
I don't know. Why is everybody attacking me like this?
Is it because of what Okudiri said? Forget about him.
Hey, God in heaven, you are watching.
Is what I say. If her hand is not involved in Samuel's death, why does she refuse to take the oath which she initially agreed to take with the elders? Why?
Mama, even the elders who wanted her to take the oath knew the truth. They were just doing that for formality.
But I was told she was even the one that suggested the oath taking.
Uncle, that girl is very, very smart. She suggested it so that people will not suspect her. Yes.
She should take that oath. They should not agree at all. She should take that oath. That she is pregnant is none of their business. Let her take the oath. Let her take it.
Hey, girls of these days.
Father Lord, I thank you. It would have been my son.
Mama, honestly, Brother Osondu should go to church and do Thanksgiving.
But that is the truth. Yes, that is the truth, Onanyo. That is the truth. What happened to Samuel would have happened to my son.
Eh?
Hey, Chukwaju, God forbid. God forbid.
Mama, trust me. I would have killed her by now.
Bam! It's not our portion.
It's brother.
It's not. Strangle her to death.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm not a murderer. They said I killed my husband.
Who said that?
His parents.
Are they mad? No, tell me. Why would they utter such abominable words? How could you possibly kill your own husband? Is it possible?
I even suggested to take an oath just to prove my innocence.
Eh? Oath under this condition? No, now. You know it's not possible now. You can't swear. You're pregnant for crying out loud.
That is the only way I can prove that I'm innocent. My spirit is worried.
Josephine, they can go to hell and burn to ashes for all I care. Your life is more important to me. You know, go?
Nothing will happen to me.
Oh. Is your parents aware?
Yes, but my mother is not in support of it.
That is it. No. Show me any woman that will support a child to swear. Not just any child. One who is pregnant.
Sandra, do you know the gravity of the allegation leveled against me? That I killed my husband. No. This is too heavy for me. It's too heavy.
I don't trust those fetish elders. They can be diabolic.
The God that I serve, He's a living God. He's not dead.
Long live Oboefi.
Yes.
I was sent to fetch you to the palace by His Royal Majesty.
I hope all is well.
I'm only a messenger.
Odima, okay, go. Let me change. I will come and see His Royal Majesty. Why is His Royal Majesty asking for me? Anyway, let me get to the palace. I will find out why he's calling me. Yeah,
Mama.
How did it go? Talk to me, somebody. How did it go?
Mama, these people have lobbied our king.
Shut up and don't say such a thing again. Our king is an intelligent man, and if he hears this, you are putting yourself into trouble. Don't say it again.
So, give me the story. How did it go?
Well, the king said we have to wait till after her delivery.
Oh, I knew it would turn out like this. I knew it.
Oh, Mama, that was why I said the They lobbied our king. They lobbied him.
Who could don't say such again? Eh? You could get us into trouble.
Our king cannot be lobbied.
Our king is an action man. Whether lobbied or not, don't say it again.
She thinks she's smart. If she likes, let her carry that pregnancy for 30 months. I am here waiting for her.
Nne, you needed to be in the palace. Hey, His Royal Majesty was backing, vibrating, backing at them for making such arrangements.
Even Mark?
Mark was the first person who wanted to talk. His Royal Majesty just shut him up. He didn't allow anybody to talk.
Papa, I'll have to go and see the king myself.
Guinea.
Don't just go and disgrace yourself there because they will throw you out of that palace.
Sister, listen to Mama. Please don't go.
Are you begging her? Mbao, Biko, wear your clothes and then go to the palace. Whatever you see, you take. Neko nazo. Each other is doing wigi. Prepare and go to the palace.
I thank God for our king. May he live long.
The same name, same. Ada, why do you want to go back to the city?
Oh, Papa, won't I go back to the city again? I've been around this village because of this swearing thing. And since it's over, I need to go back.
Well, I was just thinking that you will stay back and let your mother take care of you. Your condition, you know?
No, Papa. I need to go to the hospital. Moreover, the hospital I raised her from antenatal is in the city, not here in the village. And it's a specialist hospital. You know this is my first baby.
Are you trying to tell us we don't have specialists in this village? Can you listen to your letter?
No. In support of what she said. Yes. Moreover, you know, there's no specialist hospital in this our village.
Papa, the city is preferred.
In that case, you have to go with Jane so she can help you out.
Okay, well, that has been my plan. She'll go with me.
Well, I wish you well.
Thank you, Papa.
Your mother will prepare you. God bless you.
It's alright. Everything will be okay. Keep smiling in the sunlight. Here comes a new day. Everything is alright. Everything will be okay. Keep smiling in the sunlight. Here comes a new day. It's over. All your problems are over now. Life will be better. Things will surely improve from now. So get up, it's time to be happy. Get up and rejoice. Everything is alright. Everything will be okay. Keep smiling in the sunlight. Here comes a new day. Everything is alright. Everything will be okay. Keep smiling in the sunlight. Here comes a new day. Everything is alright. Everything will be okay. Keep smiling in the sunlight. Here comes a new day. Everything is alright. Everything will be okay.
Madam! Wow. Barka da zuwa, madam. Welcome. Welcome, madam.
Thank you. Where is my husband's car?
Gaskiya, small oga kon carry am comot.
Okudiri.
Okudiri.
When was that?
Gaskiya, madam, I for only 2 weeks.
Life will be better. Things will surely improve from now. So get up, it's time to be happy. Get up and rejoice. Everything is alright. Everything will be okay. Keep smiling in the sunlight. Here comes a new day. Everything is alright. Everything will be okay.
Jay, sister. Give me the phone.
Hello, who is this?
Okudiri, it's me, Josephine.
Who the fuck are you calling? Who gave you my number? Why are you calling me?
I just came in now. Where are you?
Woman, tell me why you're calling me and this fucking call right now.
I was asking Philip where my husband's car is, and he said he took it away.
My brother's car, not your husband, from the correction. When you very cool, woman, walk or very good, I'm begging. Onny.
Okudiri, please, I am not in the mood right now. Bring back the car, Biko.
It's okay. You'll see me right away.
Mister, what did he say? He said he'll bring back the car immediately. Mister, you should be called. Why won't he come? Why won't he come? Is this his car? I'm just being concerned. Just take the bag upstairs. Okay.
Life will be better. Things will surely improve from now. So get up, it's time to be happy. Get up and rejoice. Everything is alright. Everything will be okay. Keep smiling in the sunlight. Here comes a new day. Everything is alright. Everything will be okay. Keep smiling in the sunlight. Here comes a new day. Everything is alright. Everything will be okay. Keep smiling in the sunlight. Here comes a new day.
Josephine! Ah, good day. Hey, I didn't know you were back home. Hey, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Hey, how was the journey? It was fine. Yeah, welcome.
I can't open my door. I don't understand.
Yes, your husband's younger brother locked the door.
Okudiri locked my shop.
Sister, why are you doing this to yourself? Why? I know who didn't lock the shop. Shouldn't be what will keep you in this condition. You're pregnant for your husband, and very soon you put to bed. And everything, I mean everything in this house will belong to your son. I have the strong belief he's a he.
Josephine, what Jane said is true. You have to be strong because of your condition. This is not the appropriate time for this, oh?
Okudili, why are you doing this to me?
Josephine, put everything behind you. Put to bed first. Then we'll know the next step to follow. You know, go.
Call him for me.
Call him.
I should call him.
Yes. Yeah, maybe call. Okudiri, what have I done to you? What's wrong to that?
What did he say?
He cut the call.
Wait, you mean he cut the call on you? This guy is wicked. He is very wicked. Whatever he's looking for, he will definitely see it. He will definitely see it.
Hey, brother. It was the king that ruled the matter. Otherwise, Papa Okudele and the king's men have resolved that she must take the oath, whether she's pregnant or not.
But who took the case to the king in the first place?
It was her parents, I think. Yeah.
Baby, those pregnant women take oath in your village?
Well, the truth is that ugly situations require ugly action to take care of.
Baby, even at that, in my village, these things barely happen. It is an abomination.
If you see what that woman did to us, if you see what she did to us, left for me, she's supposed to be burnt alive. I'm telling you, so don't even go there.
And despite our atrocities, privilege is meant to be given to her. Don't you think so?
See, the truth about it is, this oath-taking thing, who does even kill anyone? They don't work. Just formality.
Brother, not our deity. Nobody can bribe our deity. Our deity is very powerful. You see, that was why Josephine turned back. But just watch out. After her delivery now, she will still come up with another story.
This time around, she's going to have the entire community to contend with if she does that.
Alright. Let's just forget about this whole thing right now, okay? So, I don't know, so what's happening in the village? How is Mama?
Mama is fine. Village is fine.
You look so beautiful.
Thank you.
My sister
Yeah, indeed.
Josephine, there is no complication. Your child is okay.
Doctor, this is the 10th month, and you still tell me there is no complication.
Yes, considering my test, there's no complication.
Okay, but is it normal for one's pregnancy to exceed 9 months?
Medically, it's not normal, but
what, doctor? What? Oh God, why me? Why me again?
Josephine, please calm down. Don't get yourself worked up, okay? Your baby is fine.
Okay, doctor. If you say my child is okay and there is nothing wrong with me, what stops me from giving birth?
You will give birth. I assure you that. Just calm down, okay? Don't just get yourself worked up. You'll be fine.
It's over. All your problems are over now. Life will be better. Things will surely improve from now. So get up, it's time to be happy. Get up and rejoice. Everything is alright. Everything will be okay. Keep smiling in the sunlight. Here comes a
Josephine, sitting down and crying will not solve anything. What you need to do is prayers. Kneel down and talk to your God, and He will hear you. Eh?
Sandra, I've been praying. I've been praying. I sleep in the church these days. How else should I pray?
Continue to pray. Pray without ceasing. Cry to God, and He will listen to you. And you're crying with her. You should be the one encouraging her and not the other way around. So wipe your tears.
Don't cry again. No, don't cry.
Has she eaten?
No. She has refused to eat the breakfast I made for her this morning.
You see what I'm saying? A pregnant woman and you're starving yourself. Go and bring the food. I'll feed her myself. Go.
I'll go.
It's alright. Stop crying anyway.
Welcome. Please, come inside.
I'm fine here. I was told you came looking for me.
Please, let's just go inside and talk.
And I said I'm comfortable here. Please, Maria, stop looking for me. Stop coming to my house. My son that was married to your daughter is dead. So we have nothing in common anymore.
Mbano. Hey, Rebecca, we still have something in common. Because my daughter, who was married to your son, is now pregnant.
God forbid. Pregnant for who?
For your son, of course.
What is the essence of being pregnant for the man she killed? Does it make sense?
Oh God, please. My daughter did not kill your son.
Your daughter killed my son. And I thank God that she's suffering for it now.
So it's true. So truly you're the one tying my daughter's pregnancy. Rebecca.
You have not seen anything yet. Oh, that's why you came looking for me. Very soon you will come looking for my dead son.
Come here. Come here. You dare not walk out on me because I'm not done with you yet.
The gods of our land bear me witness. Because I will not hesitate to kill you if you touch me again.
I don't attend to people today. That is why there is nobody.
Sister, please. You really need to help us. This is serious. Please.
Your husband is dead.
Yes, he is.
Did you go to that young man with your husband as instructed?
We did, and he accepted our apology.
Your pregnancy is how many months?
12 months.
Jesus. Obimbandu. Human heart is dangerous than poison.
So, someone's heart is responsible for our condition?
That same man, his heart is still heavy. You have to go back to him again. Go and apologize again.
Sister, please. You really need to help us, please.
I'll pray.
Okay.
I'm sorry now.
didn't tell me you were coming.
I didn't want you to discourage me.
Mama, you're welcome.
Oh, Sandy, woman. How are you?
Mama, how is Papa?
Your father is sick. He is not fine at all.
What is wrong with him?
Look at your condition. He's very worried about you.
Mama, Osondu is responsible for my condition.
Jesus Christ of Nazareth. What did you just say?
Yes, Mama. He's responsible for our condition. Though not spiritually because he didn't go to a native doctor or something.
So, the idiot did not forgive you both?
Who knows where he lives?
Mama, this is not a fight for you and I. Although Sister Oluebube collected his number.
I still do not understand anything.
Mama, the sister said that his heart is still angry with Josephine and her husband.
Hell. Osondu biko zienu menola anyị ebele biko no.
Mama, I think the best thing we need to do is to confront him. We shouldn't beg him. We should confront him.
No, Jane. I disagree with you. This is a thing of the heart. The sister said that our heart is more dangerous than poison. So confronting him doesn't help anything, doesn't change matters at all.
I will kill myself for that Osondu. I will kill myself as soon as I see him. Hey.
It's okay. I believe everything will be fine, eh? With prayers.
You are a happy man. God has blessed you with children and wealth. Think of yesterday when you were in relationship with that girl, Josephine. You were poor. You fed from hand to mouth. But today, God has blessed you. You eat whatever you want. Don't you think it was the will of God for both of you to separate? You see, the Bible says in the book of Romans, chapter 8, verse 28. For we know that all things work together to them that love God, and to them that are called for his purpose.
No, sister, I've forgiven them.
You have not. And you know exactly what I'm talking about.
No, I don't know.
You went somewhere and did a prayer.
God of justice, I come before you. You know me, and you know my relationship with you. See how she has abandoned me. What she did is right. Be the judge. What she did is wrong. She never knew peace. So it shall be.
So, do I need to go there again to forgive her?
Yes, that's exactly what you will do.
She did not come out with them to greet us.
Uncle, she will come. You know, we just arrived and they've not even offered us cola nuts.
Yes, yes.
Uncle is acting as if it's his wife.
Oh, no, we agree, but the moment you marry her, she becomes our wife. No. My son's wife, not our wife.
Why, Mama?
Please come. Why, Bim? What is the problem? Talk to me. I am a woman like you. What is the problem?
Problem like? No, there's no problem.
Then where is Josephine?
She's around.
She's around? Then why hasn't she come to greet us? We have been waiting.
She will soon come out. Trust me.
Everything is alright. Everything will be okay. Keep smiling in the sunlight. Here comes a new day. Everything is alright. Everything will be okay. Keep smiling in the sunlight. Here comes a new day. It's over. All your problems are over now. Life will be better. Things will surely improve from now. So get up, it's time to be happy. Get up and rejoice. Everything is alright.
What did they say? Did they tell you anything? They said everything is okay.
Osando, what do you have to say?
Say something.
Everything is alright. Everything will be okay. Keep smiling in the sunlight. Here comes a new day. Everything is
I really don't know what to say.
Let us break the news to them. After all, there is nothing that has no solution except death.
You mean we should break the news to them?
What else?
Someone should call me Fabian and Osando.
Oh, no, just tell me. Somebody should explain to me. What on earth did I do to deserve this kind of humiliation and heartbreak from Josephine? No, tell me, Uncle, tell me.
Etiko, Osando, calm down.
Don't tell me to calm down. I'm not just interested in this rubbish anymore.
Osando!
Nonsense.
Osando.
What is it? Calm down. What is it? Calm down.
Excuse me. Excuse me. I'm sorry it happened this way. I couldn't find any possible means to tell you that I don't want to get married until after graduation. I'm so sorry. Please find a place in your heart to forgive me for letting you down at this point in time.
Josephine, are you aware that my people are seated in your father's living room right now, waiting to pay your bride price as agreed by both of us, Josephine? Why?
I know it will happen this way, but it was so difficult for me to tell you. Sundu, you've done nothing wrong to me, but I just can't marry you.
You know, I was actually thinking that I was dreaming. But now it's dawned on me that this is reality. Just for the last time, look straight into my eyes and tell me you never wanted to do this. Go ahead and say it.
I'm sorry, it's not my fault.
It's okay.
I'm sorry now. Please forgive me somehow. I'm sorry now. Please forgive me somehow. I'm sorry I broke your heart. I'm sorry I tore your world apart. I'm sorry I left you and hurt you so badly. I'm sorry I made you cry. I'm sorry for every time I lied. I never knew you loved me so deeply. Forgive me, I'm sorry. I'm sorry now.
See, Onita, I'll tell you the truth. It's just that I do not want to get into that crossroad of anybody saying that I've insulted some woman of God. However, if at any other time any of them calls me like that again, I can't be sure what I'll do. Trust me.
Baby, I understand how you feel right now. But on the other hand, you need to reconsider. That woman is in pains.
So?
Yes. Now look at it from this angle. She is 12 months pregnant.
So?
Means when a woman is 12 months pregnant, that means she is 12 months in prison with heart labor. Haba, come on baby. Please. If reversing the prayer you have prayed on her behalf will solve this issue, then you go ahead and do it. Please.
Yes, brother. She is right. You have to go. So that if by tomorrow anything happens to her, you will be free.
Baby, you know you're the best husband ever. No man can ever understand me the way you do. Please, I know you respect my opinion.
Brother.
You see, that will not work for me this time around. I am ready to disappoint you. If you guys don't want me to sit here comfortably with you people, I'll go upstairs to my room. I have a TV in my room. Don't forget.
my first time that I have to come to
Take it easy. Let me rub you. Mama, don't hold you, son. Take a deep breath.
Hello? Yes, Sister Sandra, my sister wants to see you now. No. Okay.
She's coming. Okay. Get her things. Her bag, her basket, everything, her box. Let's go. This way. Sorry, no?
I'm sorry now. Please forgive me somehow. Everything is alright. Everything will be okay. Keep smiling in the sunlight. Here comes a new day.
Is my daughter alright?
Yes, your daughter is fine. See me in my office now.
Okay, come on, let's go now.
We need someone to sign an agreement for us.
I can actually sign it, doctor.
Yes. No. We need someone from her husband's family.
Hi. Okay. Okay. Excuse me. Do you have open the list number?
Yes, Mama. What's going on?
Call him now.
There's no problem. Just call him.
Oh no.
It's me, Jane, Josephine's younger sister. What do you mean? My sister is in the hospital and the doctor said she needs to see me.
Give me. Yeah, open the link. This is Josephine's mother. You need to come to the hospital now. Yes, she's about to undergo a CS and the doctor needs you to sign.
What happened? What happened?
He just got the call on me. Hey! Hey!
No. Hey!
Hey!
Mama, what are we going to do now? Mama, let's go back to the doctor, please.
I can sign this thing. Okay, look at it. I can sign.
Doctor, you know me too well. Our husband's younger brother who called cannot come now. If her mother cannot sign, let me sign. Let me stand out for her. She's my best friend. Please.
Are you sure?
Yes, very sure.
Okay then. You sign for me.
Okay.
Write your name here. You sign.
Okay. Okay, let's go now.
Give me Mr. Felic's card.
How is my daughter?
Your daughter is fine with her bouncing baby boy.
Praise the Lord! Hallelujah! Thank you, Jesus! Thank you, Jesus!
Everything will be okay. Keep smiling in the sunlight. Here comes a new day. Everything is alright. Everything will be okay. Keep smiling in the sunlight. Here comes a new day.
Thank you.
All your problems are over now.
See, let me tell you something. You see me, I have a very, very, very strong spirit. Do you know, since I was born, I've never been to any native doctor's house. The only thing I do is, once there's a need, I go down on my knees and I ask for it. I ask God for it. And at his own time, he supplies.
Yes, so Mama used to say that anybody that wrongs you doesn't go unpunished.
Oh, baby. You know I do not like such wicked spirit that do not forgive. Do you know that I didn't really believe what that sister said though. Until now. I just believed it because the truth is out.
Oh, you never believed? Keep being an unbeliever there. Don't let me cry for you. Because if not, you see something.
I hear. See, let me tell you. My own spirit is very strong. That even the Bible even said itself. That greater is it that is in me
than the one that is in the world. So now you sing.
Preach!
I'm saying you should be dead.
Doctor, you are good. Thank you.
Madam.
Oh. Nurse, thank you. Oh, bye bye. Oh, no.
Okay, take care of yourself.
Thank you. Hi.
Thank you so much. Bye bye.